This tutorial is a very short tutorial just to show you how to jazz up your designs by thinking about and potentially using the Shape Builder tool. So for example, say my drink was a strawberry milk drink, and this was the size of my front carton, and I wanted to have half of this or some part of this with the cow pattern and another part of it with the strawberry pattern. So let's just highlight the shapes, drag them into the swatches like I've shown you. I made the strawberry into more of a cartoon look to suit the cow. Now I've already shown you how quick and easy it is to make the whole thing a cow or the whole thing a strawberry, but like I said, I want part of this, almost like a jigsaw puzzle. So with the Shape Builder tool, we can cut this up. You can cut it up into like a half, or you can cut it up into a wave, but I'll sort of show you how to do it simply and then with something a bit more complex. So if I was just going to cut it in half here, I got my line segment tool, and that's where I want it to chop. Grab the whole thing with your black arrow, get your Shape Builder tool. Like we cut the watermelon, just click. So now we have two objects and two lines that can just be deleted. So I'm just pressing backspace. So this one it's going to be, let's just start with red. Control C, Control V. And the top of that's going to be the cow. This one here is going to be white. Control C, Control V. And that's going to be the strawberry. Right, so now I've got best of both worlds. Another way, if you wanted something a little bit different, you could use the pen tool. So if you want it to be chopped in a different way, like a spiky way like this. Now I don't need to finish it, I just go to the black arrow to stop that line being active. Select the whole thing with my black arrow, Shape Builder tool, just click on one side. Now when I select it with my black arrow, should be able to just delete that over the top, and now I have two sides. So again, this top one will be the cow, bottom one will be the strawberry. And I could create a gradient. So start with this orange to red, G for gradient, and I can change these colors in here. I'm just clicking on these and dragging down. Double click or one click? Double click. Say I want pink, and this one, oops, to be white. I don't want yellow. It looked pretty cool, but I don't want it. And it's going side to side, which is linear. You can go radial, but you can also change with the gradient tool in your toolbar. You can change the angle. So that's going across. You could have a short line. It's very short. Short line for a harder gradient, or a long line for a softer gradient. And you can decide. Right click, arrange, center back. And I'll just make that the right size. And go, maybe we'll see what it looks like with a bigger stroke. Or potentially no stroke. So it's two different ways. Another way, just quickly on how to cut it up, would be to use the pen tool. The pen tool, click click and drag, click and drag. I'm getting sort of a wave effect. Click, click and drag. So you can cut it up into however many segments that you want. So effectively by doing this, when I use the Shape Builder tool, clicking 3 times, delete, delete, I've got 3 different areas. I don't really think that would be a nice flavor. I don't know what pineapple and milk would do. I don't think it would be good. But that's just to show you, send back, how you can cut up your rectangle to put different colors, effects in there.